So if you want to win this RSX, and it's going in a rear-wheel drive platform, I got like, I think a little under $2,000 for someone that kind of went MIA on me. I'm not gonna throw anyone under the bus yet. All right, so we are off to Style Up Auto. I already have the wheels and tires there, the carbon fiber bits are there, the wide body is there. So we're going to drop off the actual car today. Got my girlfriend behind me and her new, oh my God, car's still doing that. You hear that? Ay. It's still rough idle. Got to get that fixed. So basically we're going, yeah, she's behind me in her new Acura TLX. It looks freaking sexy, all black. I need to make a video. Eventually I'll have a video on her car and everything. It's pretty cool. Bring it to the channel a little bit. But we're heading over there. Hopefully, he says he could have it done by the 30th, so it shouldn't be too long. So we're gonna see afterwards what we can do to fix that. I was speaking with your compulsion. I think we kind of know what it might be. So we'll see how that goes. Got some merch over here, as you may be able to see. It's starting to get dark, so maybe it's harder to see. That's actually a hat with the Driven District logo on it. A lot of people call it the bunny logo. I gotta show you guys, I'm gonna put a video together of how I came up with that logo. I actually came up with it on my own, and it's pretty funny because it's like super simple how I made it. And I don't even know what I thought it looked like. I was like, it kind of looks like a ninja bunny. And then it kind of, I don't know if people call it a bunny. Yeah, I used the gas pedal as my horn. That dude was letting him go and didn't even bother trying to go. That was just stupid on his part. Some barbels under the bridge. We're actually here. We are pulling up to Style Up Auto right now, and it's gonna begin. Car feels like crap. Well, it doesn't feel like crap. It's just super damn rough right now. But we are here. Alright, so we are about to go to Style Up Auto. I got two GoPros going. I got a mic on this one. There's some rattling going on in the back. Let's seatbelt this in real quick so this doesn't go flying anywhere. We're gonna go take a peek at the 124 Spider, which is getting a wide body and a bunch of other stuff. We're gonna head out in a second. I'll go over it more. Basically, it's getting wide body, full vinyl wrap, bunch of carbon fiber pieces, wider wheels and tires, 17 by 10 wheels, 275 40/17 tires. It's gonna look pretty damn sweet. Might not be as quick, but it's gonna look freaking sweet. And then I got this car, which I might be doing a giveaway for, or I might be selling it, because I got some health stuff that's really been debilitating. I thought it was getting better, and it's not. Like, I almost was not gonna even go there today. I have a video going over it only once on the channel. I don't talk about it much. I'll link it wherever. But basically, yeah, if you want to see that. But we're gonna head over there now. It's so crazy how short this throw is. Like, second to third, third to fourth, it's so damn short. So let's see, VTEC kicks in, I think, like just under 4,000. Let's see. Yeah, just under 4,000. At full throttle, you got to be careful. That thing will pull you, yank you to the side. Every time I drive it out, I want to sell it or give it away, but I got too many project cars, and I got some health stuff that I got to focus on, and I really want to do that giveaway, which I go over in another video. I'm so pumped to get the freaking K24 in my 124 Spider. Not only does that sound freaking awesome, I'm putting a K24 in a 124, but driving, every time I get behind the wheel of my RSX, it's a K20 full bolt-ons in a tune. It's not going to be as punchy in mid-range as a K24 with bolt-ons, and we're putting stage 2 cams in it, in a car that weighs so much less. So much might be, I'm not trying to exaggerate. What is the RSX Type S weigh? Drop it in the comments. I forget. Off the top of my head, I want to say 27, 28. Maybe I'm wrong. But the 124 Spider comes in under 2,500 pounds. 24 and change. We're saving 300-400 pounds maybe, whatever, depending on what else was done to that, because that car was a track car before. So we're going down like 300 pounds or more, and we're going to be getting more power, especially more mid-range punch, and it's going in a rear-wheel drive platform rather than a front-wheel drive, so there'll be not as much wheel spin and wheel hop like that. I just think it's going to feel freaking awesome, because when I drive this into 124 back-to-back, the 124 feels faster, but it's like the placebo effect from the turbo. You get that push when it kicks in, that mid-range punch, but it falls off up top. You don't technically feel the fall off up top. It still pulls to red line, but you look at the dyno chart, it's like, I did it before, it's almost like if you take a K-Series and flip it the other way. It goes like up and then kind of starts going down a little bit, where a K will just keep going up, up, and up. But since it's so linear and smooth, and there's not that necessarily like initial punch and force, it doesn't feel faster. It doesn't feel, when you're in the car, the pushback just isn't there. The 124 has it, but I've done the 40 to 100 pulls in each, and I still think the 124 might be a hair faster, but I'm starting to think this might be a hair quicker. And that's what makes me super excited to get an engine that's going to be even more powerful and punchy than this in a 124, which weighs less. Like, oh my god, my mind is just blown thinking about it, and I can't wait to actually get it done. It's what we're doing. If you haven't figured that out already or seen the channel, we have a K24. I already purchased it. We have the 124 Spider Abarth. I already got it, and we're just waiting on some parts that unfortunately are taking too long. I'm not gonna throw anyone under the bus yet, but it's been since July. I think July, August, September, October, November. Was it July? Am I doing June, July? I don't freaking know. For me, I'm counting on. I don't know, but it's been a good amount of time, 3-4 months, whatever long it's been, and I got like $4,000 worth of parts on order. One of them is from another company, which I believe that out of stock they're coming in, very reputable company. But I got like, I think a little under $2,000 from someone that kind of went MIA on me. There is someone who keeps in touch with him, hence why I'm not throwing anyone under the bus yet. I do believe he's gonna come through. He's just very busy, so I'm hoping. But yeah, that's why we can't do anything in Jersey yet, because the parts are just taking a ridiculously long time to come in. I already have the transmission adapter plate and the custom flywheel, which was like the most important thing we thought would take the longest. The rest of the stuff is supposed to be in like well before that. Those came in, and I'm still waiting for God knows how many months now for the other stuff. But yeah, I'm excited for it to be done. And then I'm gonna have to get a daily driver. I don't know. My girl works at Acura. She just got a new TLX. I've myself like dumped on the new Integra, saying I hated it because I have this, and I do. This is more of a driver enthusiast's car. But with the Type S coming out, I don't know. I want to get into a newer car that's still fun, and that kind of checks off a lot of the boxes. Built off the Type R platform, which is kind of, it's like one of the best front-wheel driving cars, you know what I mean? Crazy short throws with this thing. A QD 4-way adjustable shifter. I have a video, which I don't know which camera I'm pointing to, so it's going to be either this corner or that corner. Definitely, I keep like missing this one. There's no freaking like armrest here. Definitely watch that video. It's crazy. It's just like after I installed it, I think, but it's just such a damn good part for this car. It's a must-have part for this car, I believe. Now, mind you, I got it with the short throw that was kind of wonky and crap at the time from the previous owner, and it really needed an upgrade. But this thing's just freaking awesome. So if you want to win this RSX, and you are, I can't say, I don't know the legality of it. You don't have to buy anything from the site, but you know how a lot of things work. If you're willing to win and participate via mailing something in or purchasing something on the website to get an entry, let me know. Drop a comment, because I need to make sure there's enough interest so I can run this giveaway. Because if there's not enough interest and I can't get enough interest, then I might not do the giveaway, and someone will be winning this if I do the giveaway. Legally, I'm gonna be signing papers. There's gonna be an end date too. That's like what screws me over, in the sense of, if I don't make enough money to cover the cost of the vehicle by whatever date, I still have to give it away. Hence why I gotta make sure there's enough interest out there. So be sure to drop a comment, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram, which I'll have linked below as well. And yeah, I got a Facebook too. I don't use it as much, but be sure to communicate with me. Drop a comment. Let's talk in the comments and everything, and follow me and subscribe, so I know that there's interest on these videos, because I can see the analytics in the, for this video. And if I see that this video and the other RSX video where I talk about doing a giveaway gets more subscribers and has more comments talking about it, then I know that there's an interest geared towards the giveaway and someone actually winning it. That's the only way I'm gonna know if I can actually do it. If not, hey, and you're local, you wanna travel to New Jersey, reach out to me. If the price is right, I'll sell it. I don't want to, but if the price is right, this car is in like mint condition. It's perfectly modded. It's ready for a turbo. I've said this in other videos. That's why I bought it from the previous owner in Pennsylvania, which a lot of people know too, who has a very large following as well. I bought it because it was in such good condition. I absolutely loved the Acura Blue. It was modified perfectly, and it was ready for a turbo, which is what I wanted to do. I wanted to get an RSX and turbocharger, knowing that they can put down really good power. So if anyone wants to do it, this is the car to do it with. Again, it's all about the price. Money talks.